Gives you $250 more, DC, for the game, and you have a chance to pick up another $250 in the lightning round. Are you all set? You know how we play it?
Yes.
All right, you have to do it all as you know in only 1 minute. Here's the first word. Go.
Meal.
Dinner.
Country.
Oat.
Open.
Field.
Meal.
20 seconds is gone, Doug.
Drop it.
Next one.
Beat.
Root.
Percussion.
Pound.
March.
Drum.
That's it for 50.
Flower.
Rose.
Roses. Grow.
Say something, DC.
Greenhouse.
Open.
Arbor.
Outside.
All right, you have 10
Drop it.
seconds left.
Chicken.
Clucker.
All right, drop it.
Wait a minute. I'm going to take something on my own. I'm going to give him $50 for the response to chicken. All right. He has $400 there for the first game in lightning round, $250 for the second game, $100 for the second lightning round, $750 for DC High.
Thank you. Thank you. You're a real help.